Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to McDonald's Quezon Avenue, Ligaya. And now we are here to celebrate the very special day of... One more time with energy, the very special day of... Ayan, palakpakan naman dyan. Ayan, so before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I am Adelaide together with my co-host, Kuya Gabi. Ayan, and I would like to inform everyone na sa loob po ng isa't kalahating oras, wala po tayong gagawin kundi magtatawanan, magkukulitan, at higit sa lahat, pupusagin namin kayo here at McDonald's Quezon Avenue, Ligaya. Ayan, so may tanong po si Ate Lay. Happy? One more time, happy? Mali po. Dahil ang sagot po dyan ay, syempre naman. Ayan, may I request everyone to please stand up para po sa ating opening prayer, which be led by Ma'am Vicky.
Okay po, magpipray na po tayo. The name. Lord, salamat po Panginoon sa araw na to. Lord, nandito kami para ipagdiwang yung kaarawan ni Sia, Panginoon. Salamat po Panginoon sa buhay niya, Panginoon. At sa pag-invite po sa amin, Panginoon. Lord, na itong pagdiriwang na to, maging happy po lahat, Lord. At salamat po Panginoon sa araw na binigay niyo, Panginoon, na nakapunta kami dito, Panginoon, sa gabay niyo, Panginoon. Lord, maraming salamat po, Panginoon, sa lahat po, Panginoon. In Jesus' name, O God, Amen.
Ayan, please remain standing dahil hindi tayo magsisimula hanggat hindi natin kinakantahan ng happy, happy birthday si Zia. Kaya ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Zia! Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time with energy! Once again, happy birthday to you, Zia. Now you may take your seat and enjoy the program.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said
Ayan, so for our first game, let's have a warm-up game. Ayan, this warm-up game is what we call Ronald McDonald Says, Bring Me A. Ayan, pakiready na ang ating mga gamit at ang ating mga sarili at baka suot-suot nyo lang ang hinihingi ni Ate Lay. Ayan, so for our first item, Ronald McDonald Says, Bring Me a cellphone. Cellphone charger po ang hinihingi ni Ate Lay. Ayan, cellphone charger po. Cellphone charger po. Ayan, and we have one. Ayan, congratulations po.
about this stress and some beat up sleeps. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew.
Ayan, and for our next item, Ronald McDonald Says, Bring Me a coin na pesos po, coin na 20 pesos po.
She said, shut up and dance with me.
Ayan, and we have one. Ayan, congratulations po. And for our next item, Ronald McDonald says, bring me a ATM card, pero yung BPI po. Ayan, and we have one.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding out, she said shut up and dance.
Change your mind like a girl changes clothes. Yeah, you PMS like a bitch.
Ayan, and for our next item, Ronald McDonald says, bring me a socks or medyas na kulay puti and make sure na walang amoy. Ayan, wala pong amoy yan, ma'am. Sige, pakikuha na lang po ang prizes natin.
Yes, then you know you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down, you're wrong when it's right.
Ayan, congratulations po. And for our last item, Ronald McDonald says, bring me a picture with a birthday celebrant Zia.
Yes, then you know you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down.
Ayan, congratulations po. Makikuha na lang ang prize natin kay Kuya Gabby.
Used to be just like twins, so in sync. The same energy, now's a dead battery. Used to laugh about nothing.
Ayan, at dahil dyan, nagtatapos ang ating fun game. And now, let's proceed para po sa ating 7 roses.
Cause you're hot and you're cold, you're yes then you're no.
Alright, once again, we are now proceed to our 7 roses. So for our first roses, we invite Tito Marlon. But first of all, we invite the birthday celebrant to stand up. Ayan, once again, we invite the birthday celebrant to stand up. And to start our 7 roses, I invite here in front, Tito Marlon. Alright, thank you so much, Tito Marlon. I invite here in front, Tito Kenor. Once again, we invite here in front, Tito Kenor. Thank you so much, Tito Kennard. For our third roses, I invite here in front, Tito Aaron. Alright, thank you so much, Tito Aaron, for our fourth roses. I invite here in front, Tito Gary. Thank you so much, Tito Gary, and for our 6 roses, I invite here in front, Papa Rambo. Alright, thank you so much, Papa Rambo. And for our next roses, we invite here in front, Mr. Jesse. Thank you so much, Sir Jesse. And for our last but not the least, I invite here in front, Dada Dali. Thank you so much to our 7 roses. And that roses represent the love for our birthday celebrant, Zia. Once again, we invite the 7 roses here in front. Tito Marlon, Tito Kennard, Tito Aaron, Tito Gary, Jesse, Papa Emboy, and Dada Dale for our group photo. And for our 7 boys, look at the camera po tayo mga sir. Thank you so much to our 7 roses. And now, let's proceed to our 7 candles.
And now, may I invite Cassandra for our 7th roses.
Hi baby, happy birthday. Wish ko for you, stay healthy, stay pretty, and maging mabait ka lang palagi. Ate loves you so much. Okay? Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Cassandra. And now let's proceed to Kyle.
For our second candle, we invite her in front, Kyle.
Hi, Winnie. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana mabait. Tapos sana maganda, mabait, stay healthy. Ayun lang. Happy birthday.
And now for our third seven candles, may I call Tita Jackie.
Happy birthday, Sia. Okay na. Thank you dahil dumating ka sa buhay namin. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako naging tita. Happy birthday, I love you.
What a sweet message from Tita Jack. Okay, now let's proceed for our fourth candle, Mama Maybelline.
Happy birthday ako.
Thank you so much, Mama Maybelline, for our fifth candle. I invite here in front a Tita Wei.
Hi, Sia. Happy 7th birthday. So, ang wish namin sa iyo from Team Candelaria na mag-aral ka mabuti. Okay? And then, love your parents. Okay? May our Lord God bless you always with good health and be proud of what you have. Okay? Happy birthday, Sia.
Thank you so much, Tita Wei. And for our sixth candle, I invite here in front Tita Aubrey.
Sia, happy birthday. Tita always here to support you. We will be a continuo. Nandito lang ako lagi para sa iyo. Kahit lagi tayo magkaaway. Happy birthday, baby.
What a TDI from Tita Aubrey. And for our last but not the least, we invite here in front Mama Wency. Thank you so much, Mama Wency. And for our 7 candles, you may now fall in line here in front. At i-blow na po yan isa-isa ng ating birthday celebrant. Once again, to our 7 candles, you may now fall in line here in front. And let the birthday celebrant blow that candle. all their wishes will apply to you while you're growing up. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating 7 candles!
Everybody wants her, Miss Sexy in the city. She's on the prowl. She rocked this town. Who's that girl? A ferocious lady.
Alright, lahat pa ng kids natin, gising na gising pa ba? Alright, so for our next game, we invite all of the kids to proceed in front. And let's have a fun game here in front.
Once again, may I call all the kids to join me here in front. Ayan kids, form a big circle po. Ayan kids, form a big circle po tayo. Kuya Gabi, pa-help na lang po. Ayan kids, listen lang po tayo kay Kuya Gabi. Ayan, form a big circle and make it bigger kids.
Alright, make it bigger your circle, kids. Bigger.
Ayan kids, hands down lang po tayo. Ayan, hands down lang po. Ayan kids, for our next game is what we call Pass the Item Game. Are you familiar with the game, kids? Ayan, here's the mechanics, kids. May bibigay pong kiddie toy si Kuya Gabi sa inyo. Ayan, dalawang kiddie toy po yan. Ayan kids, and all you have to do is pass it to your right side. Ayan kids, may I see your right hand? Ayan, hands down lang po tayo kids. Hands down na po. Ayan, all you have to do kids is pass it to your right side hanggang mag-stop ang music. At kapag nag-stop na ang music, kung sino ang huling may hawak ng cup, siya po ang matatanggal. Ayan, at kapag natanggal na po si cutie girl o kaya si cutie boy, ang sasabihin natin sa kanya ay, bye-bye! Ayan kids, are you ready? Pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, faster po! Faster, faster! Hop! Continue! Continue lang po! Continue, continue! Hop! Continue again! Alright now kids! Pasa, 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 continue! Continue, continue, continue! And sino po ang last touch ng mga cup natin? Si Kuya and si Pogi. At dahil dyan kids, ano pong sasabihin po natin? Thank you so much po. You may now take your seat. Bawi po tayo next year. Sa ating remaining kids, pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Hop! Continue! Hop! Continue! continue again.
Ayan, pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. Ayan, pasa. Whoop! At tayo dyan, sino ang last touch natin? Si Cutie Boy and si Cutie Bear. Sasabihin natin sa kanila ay bye-bye! Ayan yung may take your seat na po. Ayan kids, pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. Pasa. Whoop! At dahil dyan, si Cutie Girl ang last touch natin. At si Cutie Girl, ang sasabihin natin sa kanila ay... Ayan, you may take your seat na po. Ayan kids, form a big circle and let's make it bigger kids. Alright kids, are you ready? Pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. Pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. Ayan kids, pasa. Whoop! At dahil dyan, si Cutie Girl ang last touch natin and si Cutie Girl ang sasabihin natin sa kanila ay... Ayan, you may take your seat na po. Ayan kids, may I see a big circle po? Alright kids, are you ready? Pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. Pasa. Whoop! Continue. Pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. Pasa lang po. Ayan, pasa. Whoop! At dahil dyan, si Cutie Boy and si Cutie Bear ang last touch natin. Ang sasabihin natin sa kanila ay... Ayan, you may take your seat na po. Ayan kids, pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, pasa lang and faster lang po. Ayan, pasa. Hop! Continue lang. Pasa. Hop! At sino po ang last touch natin? Ayan, si Cutie Girl and si Cutie Girl. Ang sasabihin natin sa kanila ay... Ayan, you may take your seat na po. Ayan kids, are you ready? Pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, pasa. Whoop! Continue lang. pasa, whoop! At dahil dyan, si Cutie Girl ang last touch natin. Si Cutie Girl ang sasabihin natin sa kanila ay... Ayan, yung may picture seat na po. And kids, form a big circle po. Alright kids, pass. Ay, bigyan natin kay Cutie Boy. Ayan kids, pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, pasa lang po. Pasa, whoop! Continue lang. Faster lang po, guys. Pasa, whoop! Ayan, si Cutie Girl and si Cutie Boy ang last touch natin. Ang sasabihin natin sa kanila ay... Bye-bye. Ayan, kids. Ayan, pasa, whoop! Continue lang. Faster lang po. Ayan, kids, pasa, whoop! At dahil dyan, si Cutie Boy ang last touch natin. And now, yung may take your seat po. Ayan, at dahil tatlo na lang po ang player natin, at the end of the game, meron po tayong twist. So kids, are you ready? And now pass the item in 3, 2, 1, go! Pasa lang po. Pasa, whoop! Continue lang.
Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches and your ugly ass.
Pasa lang, kids. Ayan, kids, pasa, whoop! Continue lang. Pasa, whoop! Continue lang. Pasa. Faster. Whoop! At sino po ang last touch natin? Ayan, si Cutie Boy. Halika dito, Cutie Boy. Ano pong name mo? Ayan, Prince. Audience, tanong ko lang po, ilan po ba ang sa isang competition po ba, ilan po ba ang nananalo? Ano po? Ilan po? At dahil dyan, si Prince ang ating winner for today. Ayan, palakpakan naman dyan. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating kids game. Ayan, mommy and daddy, I need your help po para po sa ating adult game. Ayan. Tatawag lang po tayo ng 5 girls and 5 boys.
Si Jackie. Asan pa? May mga lalaki. May lalaki ba dyan sa baba? Cheska, May, Jackie, sino pa? Dali, sumali ka na.
Store around the corner, the boy said he wants to get induced by the
Ayan, Team Girls lineup na lang po tayo dito.
Mambo number 5. Jump up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the sound, put your hands on the ground. Take one step left and one step right. One to the
O,
front,
isa pa.
one to the side. Clap your hands
Kuya Gary.
hands twice, and if it looks like
Kuya Gary, sali ka. Inay. Sali ka, Kuya Gary. Inay. Nice. Ayan, walang isa.
trumpet. The trumpet. Mambo number 5. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Couple goals yan, couple goals.
You can run, you can hide. You and me gonna touch the sky. Sandra and Rita. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5.
Ayan, complete na po ang Team Girls. How about naman po sa team ng boys?
2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in and sing in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of
Ayan, Team Girls and Team Boys, backward lang po tayo.
here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Ayan, alright everyone, for our next game is what we call Caterpillar Game. Ayan, so are you guys familiar with the game? Ayan, hindi po. So here's the mechanic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players. At si player number 1, sa kanya lang po ang lobo. Hindi niya ito ibibigay o ipapasa kahit kanino.
Put your hands on the ground.
Ayan, player number 1. Ito po ang gagawin nyo.
And one to the side. Clap your
All you have to do is gigiling, iikot. Susunduin si player number 2. Ayan, player number 2. Hawakan po sa bewang ko na. Sabay na po kaming gigiling at iikot. Susunduin si player number 3. Ayan, player number 3. Hawakan sa bewang ni player number 1. Sabay-sabay na po kaming gigiling at iikot hanggang makapunta kay player number 4 and 5. Ayan, at kapag nasundo na po si player number 5, si player number 1 po ay pupunta sa gitna. Ayan, at pagpunta po sa gitna ni player number 1, ang gagawin po ni player number 1 ay i-spell ang salitang wow. Paano po yun? Using their band po ganito po. W-O-W.
A little bit of Monica in my life.
Ayan, at kapag na-spell na po ang salitang wow, ipuputok na po ang lobo dito sa upuan. kapag naputok na po ang lobo, isisigaw po natin ang magic word. Ayan, ano po ba ang ating magic word? Ang magic word po natin ay happy birthday, Zia. Ayan, ang magic word na po yun ang nagsasabi kung sino po ang nauna sa dalawang grupo. Ayan, so gets naman na po natin, players. Ayan, at dahil malaki po ang responsibilidad ni player number 1, hahayaan ko po kayong pumili kung sinong ilalagay niya sa harap in 5 seconds po. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, wala na pong nagawa ang mga player number 1 natin. Ayan, so players, are you ready? Gigiling po, iikot, susunduin si player number 2, sabay na pong gigiling. Iikot po, susunduin si player number 3, gigiling doon po ulit hanggang kay number 4 and 5. At kapag natapos na po si player number 5, pupunta po sa gitna. I-spell ang salitang wow. Double 2, number 1 po. Ayan, i-spell po ang salitang wow, W-O-W. Putukan ng lobo, sigaw ng magic word. Ayan, so players, are you ready? Ayan, in 3, 2, 1, go! Iikot po tayo, ikot, susunod si player number 2, gigiling po. Iikot, susunod si player number 3, sabay ng gigiling. Ayan, giling lang po ng giling, ikot, giling. Ayan, wow, wow. Ayan, putukan ng lobo. Ayan, putukan ng lobo. Magic word po. Magic word po. Ayan, at dahil dyan, nauna ang team ng boys. Ayan, at dahil dyan, practice game pa lang po. Ayan, at dahil gets na ng dalawang grupo ang game natin, at the end of the, kung sino po ang matatalo, meron po silang consequence. Ayan, kung sino pong matatalo sa dalawang grupo, meron po silang consequence. So players, are you ready? Ayan, backward lang po tayo, team girls. Backward lang po. Sige po, team girls, backward lang po tayo. Backward lang po.
I'm a hustler, baby, but that you knew. And tonight is just me and you, darling.
Ayan. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, giling na po. Ikot. Today si player number 3. Giling. Ikot. Inago pa yung mic sa akin. Ayan, at dahil dyan, ang winner natin, ang team ng girls. Ayan, palakpakan naman dyan. Ayan, team girls, nakuha na lang po ang prize natin kay Kuya Gabby. Ayan, nagsipagwalaan ang mga team ng boys. Ayan, meron pa po kayong consequence. Ayan, Daddy, paano ba yan? Nagsipagwalaan sila. Boys, para po sa kanilang consequence.
The proud, she rocked this town. Who's that girl? A fly ferocious lady. Get up and dance. Get up and Shantae, on the runway. Do it, oh. All the girls say Shantae, on the runway.
Ayan, lahat ng team boys, line up lang po tayo dito sa gitna. Ayan, magkulang na po sila ng isa.
She's like a female phenomenon.
gumagawa ng consequence. Ayan. Ano po ba ang consequence nila? Ganito lang po yun. I-spell niya po ang salitang Zia using your butt.
Receive what do
Ayan. Sample daw po, Kuya Gabi.
it's all about the body. Tonight's the night. Get up, get up.
Ayan. Ano po ba yun? C, Z, Y, A. Ayan, si Daddy na paglaruan pa talaga ako. Ayan, talikod na lang po tayo sa audience. Ayan, nagkukulang na po talaga sila. Nasaan po yung isa?
She's so wild, so animal.
Ayan, si Daddy na lang daw po dahil ayaw na daw po ng isa.
She's like a female phenomenon. She's a glamazon, female phenomenon.
Ayan, punta na lang po tayo.
She's so wild, so
Ayan, team ng boys, are you ready? Ayan, pag di daw po sabay-sabay, uulit po tayo sa first letter. Ayan, team boys, start with the letter C. Toy? Sabay-sabay po ba? Hindi daw po, letter C.
cherry lips. Still
Letter Z.
break it down.
Ayan, letter Y. Y. Toy, toy. And last letter, letter A. Sabay-sabay po ba ang letter A? Hindi daw po. Start with the letter A in 3, 2, 1, A. Ayan, palakpakan naman po dyan.
All the boys say she's so bloody tall. She's so wild, so animal. She's gonna work that sexy body so sexual. She's like a female phenomenon. She's a glamazon, female phenomenon. A glamazon. She's so wild, so animal. She's gonna work that sexy body so sexual. She's like a female phenomenon. She's a glamazon, female phenomenon. A glamazon. Pick myself up, turn the world on its head. Don't forget what my mama said. People talking since the beginning of time. Unless they paying your bills, pay them bitches your man. And if I fly or if I fall, at least I can say I gave it all. And if I fly or if I fall, I'm on my way.
Ayan, and now let's proceed to our 7 bills. And now may I call Ayan, once again, let's proceed to our 7 bills. And now may I call Ninang Z. Ayan, Ninang Z, do you have any message po?
Happy birthday, baby. Lagi makinig kay mami at kay daddy, ha? Malayo man si Ninang, pero lagi kinakamusta kay mami, okay?
much, Ninang Zet. And now, may I call Tita Maya. Once again, may I call Tita Maya.
Happy birthday, Sia. And study hard. And be a good girl. Obey your mommy and daddy. Love you.
And now for our third 7 bills, may I call Ninang Jen.
Happy birthday na. Sana lagi kang healthy. Lagi kang sumunod kay mama tsaka kay dada. Sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Love you.
And thank you so much po, Ninang Jen. And now may I call Tita Zenny. And now may I call Tita Zinnia.
Happy birthday, Sia, and sana whatever you used to have, you may achieve it in your own time. And sana kung ano man yung gusto mo, as long as under God's will, go with you. Happy birthday.
And now may I call Tita Zara.
Happiest birthday, Ate Sia. Ganda mo naman. Sana mas lumaki kang mas maganda sa akin, ha?
Okay, thank you so much again to our 7 bills. Once again, and for our last 7 bills, I invite you in front, Tita Kyla.
Happy birthday, Sia. Sana lumaki kang matalino. Matalino ka naman, magalang at mabuting bata.
Thank you so much, Tita Kyla. And for our last bill, I invite you in front, Tita May.
Happy 7th birthday, Sia. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti at lagi ka susunod sa magulang mo. Love you.
Ayan, once again for our 7 bills, we invite you again here in front for our photo of Ninang Zed, Tita Mai, Ninang Je, Tita Zini, Tita Sara, Ninang Mai, at Tita Kyla. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating 7B. Alright, and now everyone, let's proceed to our cake ceremony. So, we invite all of you to stand up. Samahan natin si Zia na i-blow ang kanyang birthday candle. Alright, once again, we invite all of you to stand up. Samahan po natin si Zia na i-blow ang kanyang birthday candle. Also, Mommy, Daddy, and Zia, let's join us here in front. And also, we invite all of the kids po. Samahan natin si Zia dito na mag-blow sa kanyang birthday candle. Ayan po, again, yung mga kids po natin. Come here in front.
Better beware, ain't no tea, ain't no shade. But at the same time, bitches better get out the way. I'm a fam queen, mother of the house of no shame. My pussy is
Alright, nakatayo ba ang lahat? Nakatayo na po. Okay kids, let's sing a happy birthday to our special day, Zia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time with energy. Once again, happy birthday Zia. Pero invite po muna namin dito sa gitna si Mommy and si Daddy. Yan po si Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy, do you have any message or wish po para sa cutie girl na si Zia, Daddy? Ayan sir, okay ni Mommy sir, magkaaway po ba kayo sir? Ayan again po Mommy, Daddy, do you have any message or wish po para kay Zia? Let's start with Mommy.
Ano na, yun lang, lagi ka lang magiging mabuting anak, lagi makikinig kay Mami at Daddy, mag-aaral lang lagi ng mabuti, yun lang yung lagi sinasabi sa'yo ni Mami. Happy birthday, Nak, love you.
Thank you so much, Mami. How about si Daddy naman po? Daddy?
Hi, Zia. Nak, happy birthday. I love you so much, Nak. Mag-aaral ka na mabuti, Nak. Nandito lang kami ni Mami para sa'yo, Nak. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor. Ay, hindi siya si Mayor. Alright, thank you so much, Mami and Daddy. And now, Zia, it's your turn to blow your birthday candle. Kids, let's count in 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! And everyone, you wanna go back to your proper seat dahil papunta na po tayo sa inyong favorite time, ang eating time.
Guess who back in the house? Heels click clack in a bound. Fine fresh feminine style to 11 I'm divine so heavenly gentlemen sweating it sounds across the board no doubt. Body like wow, she back in this trap. Titty so plentiful, Michigan Queen Jezebel should be criminal. Don't make sense for a bitch to be this shit down. Rock to the side, what is that sound? Watch me drop, drop, drop into the ground. Wait for the 4, drop to the floor. Add up the 10s to get the score. I've been shake the jelly when the jelly's on. The kind of thing that all the fellas make your panties on. I'm only getting out of bed for 20 million. Now get your camera phone, cause in a minute I'm about to be on. Here come that girl, oh shit, what up? Yeah, well, that's the brand I'm trusting. Clutch your crush, she's the big shot caller. Get, run, over. None of these bitches is country like you. Clocking these chickens, I'm fucking they do. Running my business is all coming through. When I step in, you know what it do. You know what it do. None of these bitches is fucking with me. Running my business is don't even with this. When I step in, they know what it do. When I step in, they know what it do. Yeah, bitch, she done already done had her. She been done had hers.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in, me singing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man. Mambo number 5.
Once again, may I call Marco Elijah.
Sugar sweet, don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be a man, there ain't no other way. 'Cause girl, you're hotter than a Southern California day. I don't wanna play no games, you don't gotta be afraid. Look at me, all that shy shit, no makeup on, that's my sugar. Yes, please, come and put it down on me. I'm right here.
Gia, pagpalaan ka ng Diyos, bigyan ka ng lakas, bigyan ka ng pananampalataya sa Diyos, lagi kang malakas po at happy birthday!
Ayan, so sweet naman. And thank you so much, Marco Elijah. Ayan, and now may I call Dwayne Ashley.
Again, for our second chocolate, I invite you in front, Dwayne Ashley. invite you in front, Dwayne Ashley.
I see ya. I wish. Happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin. I wish.
Bomba na?
Happy birthday, Tia. I wish sana maging mabait ka, makapagtapos ka sa pag-aaral mo.
Alright, thank you so much. Dwayne, palakpakan naman natin si Dwayne Ashley. And now let's proceed to our third sweets or the chocolates. Come here in front, Enzo. Ayan, once again, I invite you in front, Enzo.
Radio station BTSN OOP.
Once again, for our third sweets or chocolates, I invite you in front, Enzo.
I want to know, inside my heart there's nothing but a burning flame. Don't make me wait. Let's make some bad decisions. I want you.
Wow, ang energy naman ni Enzo. Let's take a picture with Daddy Zia. Alright, and now let's proceed to Elijah Theo.
I can't seem to ever get you out of my mind.
Once again, for our next 7 chocolates, I invite you in front, Elijah Theo.
Everybody see me looking fly, and I think I know the reason why. Cause I got you right here by my side, and I can't let you just walk away. If I ain't with you, I'm not okay.
If you want my love, come a little bit closer. Don't make me wait.
Ooh.
Let's make some bad decisions. I want you.
Alright, once again, I invite you in front for our 4th chocolates. Security Elijah Theo.
Happy birthday, Sia.
Alright, thank you so much, Cutie Elijah.
Let's make some.
For our 5th chocolate, I invite you in front, Zohan Miguel. Once again, Zohan, come here in front.
I want you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, baby, every night.
Alright, and now let's proceed to Kian Matthew.
Yes.
And it feels like, wait, what?
Happy birthday, Zia! Ish. Happy birthday, Zia! Good.
Okay, mga naiiyahan sa si Kian. Palamakan naman po natin si Kian. Let's see a photo op na lang po kasama si Kian.
We'll never even care. Baby, I know you're creeping. I feel it in the air. Every night and every day.
Thank you so much. And for our last 7 chocolates, I invite here in front, Zingel Wee.
That you're a savage love. There's somebody break your heart. Looking like an angel, but you're savage love.
Once again for our 7 chocolates, come here in front, Zingel Wee.
Happy birthday, Zia. Happy birthday, Zia. Stay healthy and beautiful.
Oh, mukhang mambobola yata si Zingel ha. Palamakan naman po natin si Zingel. Once again, thank you so much to our 7 chocolates, Marco, Dwayne, Enzo, Elijah, Zohan, Kian, and Zingel. Once again, we invite the 7 chocolates, Marco, Dwayne, Enzo, Elijah, Zohan, Kian, and Zingel for photo op.
Try to make you stay, but you're savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get too far.
Ayan boys, we will now proceed kay Zia and let's have a group photo together with her.
You're savage love. You're savage love. You can use me, 'cause I still want that. You're savage love. You're savage love. You're savage love. You can use me. Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get to.
Okay boys, look at the camera boys. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, smile.
Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you
Okay, thank you so much to our cutie boys. And now let's proceed to our 7 gifts. And let's start with Ayesha.
single forever till I met you. We usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you loving me was to get back at your ex-lover, but before you leave, usually I would never even care. Baby, I know you're creeping. I feel it in the air. Every night and every day, I try to make you stay, but you're a savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get too fast, but I still want that.
Ayan, and now let's proceed to our 7 something pink. Something color pink or anything that related to color pink. And let's start with Stephanie.
사랑이란 어쩌면 순간의 감정이란 조금 이따들 붙인 한말 사랑하는가. 영원이라는 말은 어쩌면 멀어서 잔잔한 파도 앞에 힘없이 무너져.
And once again for our 7 something pink, I invite here in front, Stephanie.
내가 왜 그대이든 그대이든 같이 사랑할래. 그대이고 every night and every day.
Happy birthday, Zia.
Thank you so much, Cutie Stephanie.
Savage love. Did somebody break
And for our second something color team,
savage love?
I invite you in front, Prince Nathan.
Two faults, but I still want that. Your savage love. Your savage love. Your savage love. You can use me.
Happy birthday, Sia. Happy birthday, Sia. Wish you all the
Thank you so much, Kuya Prince. Next, I invite you in front, Kendrick Zachary.
Happy birthday, Sia. Here's my gift.
Wow, thank you so much, Kendrick. And for our next, I need here in front, Akia Chariz.
Take it. I should have said it before. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend. Happy birthday, Sia. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Ate Akia. And next, I invite you in front, Drew.
Happy birthday to Sia.
Okay, thank you so much, Drew. And last but not the least, I invite you in front, Sandra.
Happy birthday, Dia. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much to our 7-something pink. Again, I invite you in front, Stephanie, Prince, Kendrick, Akia, Drew, and Kendra. And let's have a group photo together with Zia. Congratulations again and thank you to our 7-something team. At kids, andyan pa ba ang mga kids po natin? Alright, so for our next game, we invite all of the kids here in front. And once again, for our next game, I invite all of the kids here in front.
Let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm masterpiece, to waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm rolling up the dance, sweet baby, whoa. Let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean. Walk for me, baby. I'll be getting you.
Okay, here's our birthday celebrant again. And now continue to our 7 Barbie. And let's start with Amanda Margus.
Goddamn, see you licking frozen from your own hands. Want another taste? I'm begging, yes, ma'am. I'm tired of all this candy on the dry land, oh. Waste time with the masterpiece, waste time with the masterpiece. You should.
Ayan, once again for our 7 Barbies, I invite here in front Amanda Margus.
See, but you're moving so carefully. Let's start living dangerously.
Happy birthday, Gia. I hope you have a lovely day and keep playing.
What a sweet message from Amanda. And for our 2nd Barbie, I invite here in front Sarah Margaret.
Happy birthday, Sia. I wish you to have good health and more good friends. And happy birthday, Sia.
Thank you so much, Ate Sarah. And for our 3rd Barbie, come here in front, Yuna Isabella.
Happy birthday, Gia.
Thank you so much, Isabella. And for our 4th Barbie, come and join us here in front, Zoe Mika.
If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo.
Happy birthday, Gia.
Alright, thank you so much, Zoe Mika. And for our 5th Barbie, I invite her in front, Keisha Ann.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitating,
Gia, I wish you have a good day.
Yay, what a good message from Keisha.
Need someone to hug you.
And for our next Barbie, come here in front, Maria Isabel.
Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop stars, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I fall into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on.
And now let's proceed to our last Barbie, Cesar Bernadette.
My shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up. Cause girl, you
want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo.
Happy birthday, Gia. God bless.
Thank you for Ate Zam. Ayan, once again for our 7 Barbies, I invite all of you again here in front for our photo. Amanda, Sarah, Yuna, Zoe, Keisha, and Zab. Once again to our 7 Barbies. Girls, we invite all of you again here in front, and let's have a group photo together with Zia. Alright, girls, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1, smile. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating 7 Barbies. And of course, hindi matatapos ang event na ito na wala tayong 7 gifts. And to start our 7 gifts, I invite here in front, Ayesha.
Happy birthday, Sia. Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Ayesha. And for our second gift, from here in front, Ken Herbie. Pinaghahandaan talaga ni Kirby. Ang laki naman ng gifts ni Kirby.
Happy birthday, Zia.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating 7 gifts. Again, I invite all of you here in front, Ayesha, Ken, Gio, Sabrina, Robin, and Rian. And let's have a group photo together with Zia. Once again to our 7 gifts, Ayesha, Ken, Gio, Sabrina, Robin, and Rian. Come here in front and let's have a group photo together with Zia. Alright, thank you so much to our 7 gifts.
thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Numbers to the face and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. A backless dress and some beat up sneaks. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together.
Ayan, everyone, while others busy sa kanilang food, merong gustong bumisita. Ayan, she represents all the chicken McDonald's, and along the way in McDonald's, let's all welcome Birdie! Ayan, may I invite mommy and daddy to take a picture with Birdie. Alright everyone, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1, smile! Ayan, wacky naman po, wacky! In 3, 2, 1, wacky! Ayan, sa mga kids naman po na gustong magpa-picture with Birdie, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap.
Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh.
Alright kids, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1, smile! Ayan, wacky naman po, wacky! In 3, 2, 1, wacky! Ayan, sa mga adults naman po na gustong magpa-picture with Birdie, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap.
If you want it, take it. I should have said it before.
Ayan, thank you so much po. Per row naman po tayo and start po tayo sa first row. Ayan, lahat po ng nasa first row, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap for picture taking with Birdie.
Never by the hands of a broken heart. I don't wanna hear you lie tonight. Now that I've become who I really are.
Once again, may I call all the first row. Punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap.
This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. This is the part when I say I don't want it. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more.
Alright, once again sa lahat po ng nasa first row, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap.
Deeper, I was a nice stallion, like a deadly feeling, babe, on the highway to hell, yeah. I only wanna die alive, never by the hands of a broken heart.
Alright, complete na po ba tayo? Alright, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1, smile.
This is the part when I say I don't want it. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. This is the part when I say I don't want it. I'm stronger than I've been before.
Smile! Ayan, Waki naman po. Waki! In 3, 2, 1, Waki! Ayan, thank you so much po. And sa lahat naman po ng nasa second row, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap.
Thought of your body, I came alive. It was lethal, it was fatal. In my dreams, it felt so right. But I woke up every time.
Ayan, kids. Alright, kids, look at the camera. In 3, 2, 1, smile! Ayan, Waki naman po. Waki in 3, 2, 1, Waki! Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat naman po ng nasa third row. Punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap. Once again, sa lahat po ng nasa third row, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night.
Ayan, lahat po ng nasa third row. Alright, complete na po ba tayo? Alright, everyone, look at the camera. Look at the camera in 3, 2, 1, smile. Ayan, Waki naman po. Waki.
Teenage dream, I felt it in my chest. She looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up.
Ayan, sa lahat naman po ng nasa last row, punta na lang po tayo dito sa harap. say, pero kailangan na pong bumalik ni Birdie sa McDolland. Alright, everyone, let's say bye-bye in 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye!
She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts.
Hello, hello.
Always waiting for you to be waiting below. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes. What doesn't kill me makes me want you more. And it's blue, the shape of your body is blue. The feeling I got it is blue.
Alright, para sa ating closing remarks, Mommy, do you have any message po sa ating mga guests?
Wala na po sila. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa mga nagpunta. Yun lang po. Thank you po. Sana po nabusog kayo and nag-enjoy po kayo. Thank you.
In these trying times, we're not trying. So cut the headlights, summer's a knife. I'm always waiting for you just to cut to the bone. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes.
Alright, everyone. So before we end, may request lang po si Adele. Ayan, pwede po ba natin kantahan si Siana like this? Happy birthday to you. In 3, 2, 1. Ayan, palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, from McDonald's, Quezon Avenue, Ligaya, we thank Mommy and Daddy to choosing us. Ayan po, ingat sa pag-uwi at maraming salamat po.